Today I am reviewing the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a gaming desktop that delivers serious performance without overcomplicating your setup, the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop is a powerhouse that balances raw power, sleek design, and modern features. Built for gamers who want both high frame rates and smooth multitasking. This desktop is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 780-700F processor, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and a 2 TB M.2 NVMe SSD, making it ready to handle the latest AAA titles, VR experiences, and demanding creative workloads with ease. Starting with the processor, the AMD Ryzen R7-8700F is a formidable CPU that can effortlessly handle both gaming and productivity tasks. Its multi-core performance ensures smooth gameplay even when running background apps or streaming. Paired with the GeForce RTX 5070, this desktop supports ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and ultra-smooth frame rates for a visually stunning experience. Whether you're exploring expansive open-world games, participating in competitive esports, or diving into VR adventures, the graphics card delivers detailed, immersive visuals with impressive performance consistency. One of the standout aspects of the MSI Codex Z2 is its cooling system. Gaming PCs can generate a lot of heat during extended sessions, but MSI has designed this desktop to stay cool under pressure. It comes with an ARGB fan air cooler and 4 system cooling fans, 3 at the front to pull in fresh air and 1 at the rear to push heat out. This ensures that the CPU and GPU maintain optimal temperatures, preventing throttling while keeping the system whisper quiet even during intense gaming marathons. Aesthetically, the Codex Z2 balances simplicity and style. The chassis is clean and understated, making it suitable for both gaming and professional environments. But if you're a fan of gaming flair, the built-in RGB lighting can instantly enhance your setup. With the press of the MSI LED button, you can cycle through multiple lighting effects or go deeper and customize lighting patterns using the MSI Center software, allowing you to personalize your desktop to match your gaming rig or room ambience. When it comes to storage and memory, this system is equally impressive. The 32 GB DDR5 RAM ensures seamless multitasking, meaning you can game, stream, and work on creative projects all at once without slowdowns. Meanwhile, the 2 TB M.2 NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast boot times, near-instant application loading, and plenty of space for your game library. For connectivity, the inclusion of USB Type-C ensures future-proof compatibility with modern peripherals, while other ports provide flexibility for monitors, VR setups, and more. Speaking of VR, the MSI Codex Z2 is VR ready, making it an excellent choice for gamers who want to explore virtual reality experiences without worrying about lag or hardware limitations. The combination of the high-end CPU, GPU, and fast memory ensures a smooth VR experience with high refresh rates and immersive graphics. The desktop comes with Windows 11 Home, offering a modern interface and enhanced gaming features, though MSI recommends Windows 11 Pro for business users who might need advanced management tools. For gaming and everyday use, Windows 11 Home provides everything you need, including quick updates, game mode optimizations, and a smooth overall experience. In conclusion, the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop is a complete package for gamers who demand power, reliability, and style. Its combination of AMD Ryzen processing power, RTX 5070 graphics, 32 GB DDR5 memory, and 2 TB NVMe storage ensures that you can play, create, and multitask without compromise. Coupled with efficient cooling, customizable RGB lighting, and future-ready connectivity, this system is designed to perform today and remain relevant well into the future. If you want a desktop that handles everything from AAA gaming and VR to productivity tasks without breaking a sweat, the MSI Codex Z2 is a solid choice that will elevate your gaming setup and keep you ahead of the curve.